What's up, guys? It's Codemaster here, and I'm back with another episode of the How to Make a Ball Rolling series. And in this episode, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to display your score or your coins when you collect the game objects. So let's get started. So let's open our player movement controller by double-clicking on it, and I already did. So here we go. And to display text, we need something called UI, but we're not going to put that in right now, actually. We can start with putting in a private int. So private int, and we can call this coins. There you go. And now in the start function, we can say coins equals 0, because at the beginning we don't want them to have a lot of coins. We just have to let them start with 0. And on our on-trigger enter, after where we set the game object to false, we're going to want to say coins equals coins plus 1. So when it does pick up, then it will add 1 to our coins value. So now if we come back into Unity, make sure you save the script, come back into Unity and we right-click, wait for it to recompile, right-click, UI, text. And as you can see, it already made a canvas and an event system, which are required for you to have a text component, because it's a UI component. And we can rename this text to coins text, and we can make it say coins text. There you go. And we can resize it. I'll make it like 30 or something, and we have to go into the 2D mode on the canvas, drag and double click on coins text, and rescale it. So just drag it even bigger, and there you go. Now we can anchor this into the bottom left corner. So there you go, bottom left corner, and 0 and 0. And we can give it some space, so we can say 10 by 10. There you go. And we can, we'll keep it on this side so we have space to display the number. Just drag the box even bigger so there's space for the number there. And we can keep the color at exact black to make it look nice. And now what we have to do is we gotta go into our script, and now that we're in our script, we're gonna put a namespace right between using Unity Engine and using system.collections. We're gonna say using Unity Engine .ui, so we can access UI functions from our script. And underneath where it says public float speed, we can say public text, and we can say coins text. There you go, public text, coins text. And what we're going to do is make a void at the bottom of all our script, and it's going to be called void set coins text. And there you go, like that. And inside this, we're going to say coins text dot text, so we're accessing the text function, and then equals parentheses coins, 2 dots, and then space, parentheses, plus coins dot toString, and then 2 brackets, and then Control S. And now that we did that, in our start function, after we initialize coins equals 0, after we say that, we can say set coins text, and then 2 brackets and semicolon. So in the beginning, it's setting the coins text to what coins equals. And on the on trigger event, after where it says coins equals coins plus 1, we can say set coins text again, 2 brackets, semicolon, and there you go. Now, when we come back into Unity, make sure you guys save that script, and then we click on our player right after it recompiles. Click on our player, it's going to say coins text, none text. So we're going to drag in our coins text. And there we go. Now when I press play, after I save my scene, press play. And it now says coins equals 0. But if I move the player, wait a minute. If I can collect something, now it says coins equals 1. And then 2, 3, and let me collect these, 4, and 5. Nope, I can't collect it. 5. There we go. So what we're going to do now is after we collect 5 of them, we're going to make it say you win. So in our canvas, right click, UI, text again, and our canvas is already made. We can reset this to win text, and we can make it say win text. There you go. We will resize this to 50, and we can drag this even bigger. There you go. And now that we have like that, we can reset the positions because it's already anchored to the center. It's where we want it to display. And we can make the color completely black to make it look nice, and it goes with the other coins text display. And now in our script, we're gonna say we're gonna say public text win text, just like a coins text. And in our start function, we're gonna, after our set coins text, we're gonna say win text dot text equals just 2 parentheses and a semicolon, because we don't want to say anything until we actually get 5 completed. Okay, now what we're gonna want to say is afterwards to set coins text, we're gonna say if bracket coins, and then is greater than or equal to 5 bracket, and then 2 curly brackets. Put this there, and we're gonna say win text dot text equals you win. There we go. So if we do win, then it's going to say win. So Control S, and if we go into our Unity scene here, and we wait for it to recompile, and click on player, it's going to say win text, non-text. So drag in win text right there. Now if we Control S the scene, and we press play, see win text disappeared in the middle, and our coins is at 0. So if I can collect these coins, I'm a very bad steerer with the keyboard. I got 2 coins, I got 3 coins, I got 4 coins, and I got 5 coins. And it just says you. Well, that's because our win text box isn't big enough, so if we drag it way bigger, it should be able to fit. Okay, so if we Control S this again, and actually if we click on win text, we can just make this 400 by 150. There you go. That should be able to hold it. And is that centered? Yes, it is. So now if we press play, after we save our scene, it's going to be gone. And collect the coins again. That didn't, nope. I missed that. Whoa, I'm a really bad steerer. Here we go. But if you guys try this on your own computer, you can probably steer better than me. So you'll probably be able to collect them, and it should say you win. There you go. You win with 3 exclamation marks. So that's how to display the text. In the next episode, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a start menu. And then from there, you can press play, and it will bring you to this scene right here. I'm just going to Control S this just to save it. And in the scene, just take you to the scene, and then there'll be a how to play section. And in that how to play section, I'll be teaching you guys how to make some text that teaches you how to play. And if anyone wants to play this, it'll tell them how to play. And then later on in this series, I might be teaching you guys how to I just forgot. Oh no, how to add a joystick so you can import it to Android, and you can also import it to iOS, but I'm going to be teaching you guys how to import it to Android, and then your app can be live on the store. So, thanks for watching, guys. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, and see you guys later.